Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with another haul video from Tucson from the show JOGS, J-O-G-S. This is one of 3 more videos I've already hopefully posted by now. The first video from JOGS. This is a seller where I bought a lot of lower priced beads that I just love. You know, I love beads. I'm not going to discriminate unless it's acrylic pearls. Usually I don't like those, but I went to this seller twice, once on the first weekend and once on the second weekend. So we have a bunch of Z beads. We're at JOGS. Crystal quartz coins. Oh, some AB crystals. I came over here to look at these Z beads. Amazing. Just tons and tons. These have flowers on them. Did you see the pattern? There's a flower on that one. Yeah. I mean, they're beautiful. Yeah. But you could probably sell each bead for quite a bit of money, too. So. Oh, look at this guys. Honkin' mama. The size of a burrito. I couldn't think of anything.
I thought of something, but it wasn't a problem.
I did too. Oh wow, look at these amethyst rough cut. Oh, and these pink crystals. Lovely. And then here we have all these Hishi beads. Do you see these Hishi beads? Huh? You see these Hishis?
Oh yeah.
Are these lava Hishis?
No, they're stone.
These are lava.
Are they?
Yeah, they're like pumice stone. Yeah, lava rockstone Hishi discs. I've never seen anything like that, and they have them in several colors.
Pretty.
Oh, this is our first stop in JOGS, and I already have one tray underneath the counter up there, and I'm working tray 2. Look at these coral. Look at these coral slabs. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This is a good price for these coral slabs. Beautiful. What does it say? Bamboo coral. Necklace chips with slice. So the chips are bamboo coral? I think that's what this is. There's some abalone. Look at these. These lovely, huge abalone shells. Ooh. Carved shell is what this said. Oh no. What does it say? $300. Just a casual $300 laying around. Beautiful. Just one of the many booths here. And here's my second bin. The first one's all crystals. We'll see the haul in just a moment. I'll show you the stuff I got for the first weekend. This is a mix of $1, $2, and $3 things. So I'm not gonna make you guys sit through a billion strands of these, but in one of my hauls last year, I showed you that this particular seller has crystals strung like this, just random crystals for $1. Hello, do you see this big honking crystal here? Some mixes, you'll get this one crystal for $1. So because they're all mixed in, they might have slight imperfections. They give you this long, let me see how long this strand is. Got my trusty dusty gross old acrylic ruler here. So let's see. This strand is 15 inches long. So I honestly don't remember how many of these I got, maybe 15, maybe 20, but I love sorting through them. Look at this guy, he's a focal, right? And then we have this big brown guy and a big black oval, and look, you can see the striations in there. Somebody told me that means it's a high quality crystal. They're just so pretty. And then there's like mixed colors. This one looks like check glass. Yeah, I'm not going to make you sit through 20 strands of those, but I got a bunch of those. And then I also got some dollar strands, some really nice teardrops in bright silver. So yummy. And if you guys haven't heard by now, I am making some earring kits. I don't know what they look like as of this moment. I've only pulled beads for one of them, but it's super cute. So stay tuned on my channel. Stay tuned in my bead group. They're coming. I'm hoping May is the month. I can't promise. I got a lot going on outside YouTube. So here's another one, dollar strand. I want to say, I think these were dollar strands. They're just so bright and happy and cheery. Another dollar crystal, blue teardrops. These might have been $2. I'm not sure. And I'm not sure what stone they are either. Another dollar strand. So 8, yeah, these are 8mm-ish. These are 6mm-ish. They might be 7 and 9. I can't remember if this was $1 or $2. I'll probably end up selling some of these because I don't need that many of these, but it was just a really good deal. And I can possibly incorporate it into kits or something. Who knows? Red, 8mm. Are these 8mm? Now it's driving me nuts. Okay. Yeah, they're 9mm. That's why I couldn't really. No, they're 10. They're 10, but they're like. I feel like it's a small 10mm. Does that make sense? Let me just double check that. No, they're 9. That's why I didn't really recognize the size. They're 9mm. They're right between 9 or 8 and 10, so they feel a little weird. Okay, 9mm makes sense. Then we have these guys, so shiny. They're so shiny. I mean, I know they look shiny on the camera, but they're super shiny in real life. These were probably $3. They look like they're silver plated lava. I love them. It says 13. They were $3. These were probably $2 or $3. These remind me of beads that I used to have when I first started selling jewelry on Etsy. Oh, I just love that blue with the white and the black. Love it. Oh, and a little splash of green in that one. There's no way this is real malachite. It's faux, but it's cool. Good for your budget. I think it was $1. Another $1. Maybe serpentine? Maybe. So I really, really, really want to do a video on, or maybe several videos on men's jewelry. So I got some matte black and 10mm. I really want to do one of those. Another $1 crystal strand, like peach and orange. This was a $1 strand. I love these guys. I haven't ever used these. I have them a little bit bigger from last year at a different show and several different colors. Just love that shape. Another faux malachite in a little bit smaller. And then another strand of these. Are these the same color? Thank goodness I got 2 of them. Go past Brittany. Woohoo! These were probably 2. They're faceted rose quartz. Not the best quality, but they're super cute. Again, another one of these mixes. Looks like the rest of this bag is just the mixes, but I actually did get a whole complete strand of these yellow crosses. Actually, I can't remember if I got yellow or orange, but then my friend Julie and I split them. So I think they were $1 each, but we both knew we didn't need a whole strand of crosses. So one of us got orange, one of us got yellow, and then we split them at her house. I have more, they're just loose right now. So it was more economical, and there was no way I needed a whole strand of yellow or bright orange crosses. Oh, and then, this one's just one of those mixes again, but look at this bead. Look at that. That's glass. That's staying with Mama. No matter what I do with the other beads, I'm keeping that one. So cool. Aren't they beautiful? Aren't these? I'm not going to go through each one separately, but I'm going to put them out on the table here. Aren't these really yummy? I can back out a little bit. Oh, I dropped something. Oh, it's one of those crosses. So I'm going to have so much fun sorting these. Do you guys want to see me sort them? Can't remember. I don't think I did show you guys sorting last year. I just kind of showed you them after they were sorted. It's just a nice, fun activity that I get enjoyment and fun out of. For not a lot of money, because they were $1 a strand. Oh gosh, I don't know if I can fit the rest of these on here. I just think they're fun to look at. Aren't they fun to look at? You could just hang these in a window. Here's another $1 strand. And then another blue one. I must have gotten 2 of each of those. And I got these. I think these were $1. So that's a really pretty shell pendant and like a really nice pink. I haven't seen one that looks that nice lately. And then I got this donut printed shell, but this side's bare. Thought that was really neat. So that was the first day. I also have several more of those. I have a crystal problem, guys. I got a crystal problem. So I have several more. This is all that I got from the first day from that shop. Let me clear this up and then I'll show you just a few things that I got the second day. Okay, so on the second day, oh, here's their website information. I didn't know they included this. crcbeads.com, Bead Resources Corp. Free shipping over $35. I can't promise you that they have any of this stuff on their website. They places like this tend to bring like the deals to the bead shows to make quick money. They do have tons and tons of stuff, which I showed you at the beginning of this video. It's also in the same booth, but like, how many people are going to buy a $300 strand of beads, even if they're 70% off? So, second day I went, I found this strand of faceted rose quartz. Little. I got another large one, but it also had some aventurine with it. I think it's aventurine. So it's like half and half. I found some pendants. So this is some kind of jasper. It's very, very detailed. Love it. That was $2. This guy was $2. It does have a little bit of shine, flash on the white bands. They're not really white though, they're green, and I don't know what stone that is. $2. And then this guy was $2. I also found this guy, which it might be picture jasper actually. Not 100% sure. Thought it was really cool. It just looks like a painting to me. Well, that's why it would be picture jasper. And then these were $2 each. It's not a pendant. I'm just now seeing that this is not a pendant, but I don't care because I could do a glue-on bail. Do you see how purple that is? So I could do a glue-on bail this way, or that way, that way, or that way. These remind me of Little Mermaid. She gets her voice taken away. And then I got another one, just a little bit different. More yellow in this one, green, and just slightly different shape. And then last but not least from that shop, I got this pink shell donut with a hole drilled. I just thought it was really pretty. This was $1. So I got some good deals. The first day I spent $44 on that first part of this video. Can you believe that? Like $44, that bad. I mean, anywhere else, hundreds of dollars, hundreds. I'm not even kidding. And then the second day, maybe $16, $17. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite part was. My favorite part, I can't pick from this one. I really like a lot of the stuff in this one. This guy's pretty amazing. This guy's pretty amazing, but I really love my crystal strands. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let me know if you want to see me sort. Some people like sorting videos, and by sorting I mean I'm gonna have a big bowl of crystals and I'm just gonna sort them into colors. If you don't want to see that, that's totally cool. That's totally cool. But anyway, just let me know what you thought. Have a great day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye.